Thank you for tuning in to my channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel for up-to-date information, tips, tricks on how to create your own website for any of your needs. Today I'm going to teach you how to secure your website. So I already pulled up my website I've been working on, which is my Fashionista Vista. If you haven't seen that quick tutorial, just go ahead and click on my other video on how to create a e-commerce website. I did that before, and you can see how to set up your website to have a commerce website. So that's what I did. Now, as you can see, it says right here that the website is not secure. So today I'm going to teach you how to secure the website. Now, what I'm going to do is go back to my WordPress dashboard. And what I'm going to do is go to plugins. I'm going to go to add new plugin. So now that we're at add new plugin, I'm going to go to the search box and I'm going to search SSL because I'm going to secure my website by making it a HTTPS website. Right now it's a HTTP, which is not non-secured. Now there are many products, many different types of SSL plugins you can go with. I mean, this one has 4 million, 10,000. I usually go with one that has a great deal of with multiple installations. Okay, so like this one, maybe I'll go with one that has 400,000 and up. This one has 4 million. So the one that I normally use is iThemes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and search iThemes. Now, iThemes has 900,000 active installations. That's good enough for me. I've used it multiple times. Maybe I'll try another one later on after I end this tutorial just to see if it's any different. But right now I'm just going to use iThemes. So now that it's installed, I'm going to activate it. And this doesn't take long at all. So now that it's activated, you'll see security in the dashboard options. So now I'm going to go to settings. Okay. So now it's going to prompt me to do a security check and enable the Security Check Pro to identify IP address and ensure attackers are locked out correctly. So after I did that, it's going to bring me to a few options. So it's asking me that if iThemes identify a new attacker, do I want to be emailed? And that can be with anyone using iThemes. If they identify a new attacker from any of the 900,000 installers, do I want to be informed? And I'm just going to say yes. I never said yes before, but I'm going to say yes because I just want to see how many emails I get. So I'm just going to activate the network brute force protection. Now up here it's stating that if anyone tries to go to my website using HTTP, they will be directed to HTTPS, and that's what I want to happen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click HTTPS routing. And it should kick me out, which it did. So now I know that it is completely installed the way I want. So I'm just going to log back in. Now, when I log back in, I'm going to go back to security, and I am just going to go to my settings. Now here on the dashboard for security, I can enable my 404 detections, which that's what I want to do. You have that option, but I really want to use that. I'm not going to do away mode. I'm not going to file change detection because I'm the only one who has access to my website. SSL is enabled, so that's great. And now you can see that I have the lock at the top instead of not secured, which I want. All right, so let's go back to security, and we're just going to try to log in using the wrong credentials to see if the system picks it up. Okay, so basically right here it's going to let you know if someone tries to log in using the wrong credentials. If someone's trying to log into your account, this is where you'll see that at. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to log out. I'm going to try to log in using the wrong credentials. And I'm going to use a made-up password, and I'm going to try to log in. And as you can see, I couldn't log in. So let's try it one more time. So we're going to try another username, another password that is not valid. So all right, so as you can see, that one didn't work either. Now I'm going to log in with my valid credentials. As you can see, I got in. And what we're going to do is go to security, go to logs. We're going to check the logs to see if they have notices for us that someone attempted to log in with invalid credentials. And as you can see, it shows that I logged in twice and that there was 2 different logins that were invalid. So as you can see, the brute force was in effect, and it caused them not to be able to access our account, the dashboard. Now, if you had a website that required username and password, this would in fact allow you to to reject invalid credentials trying to log into the website. Now, that's all I have for now. Next video, I will go over how to set up WooCommerce with your account so that people can purchase from you on your website. All right, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.